Welcome to question 26. Given the g of x as a function equals to 2x plus 5, we have to find the image of minus 3 and the inverse of the same function. So if I have g of x equals to 2x plus 5, to find the inverse, I am going to have let g of x equals to y, meaning y is equals to 2x plus what? 5. The next thing to do is to interchange the position of x and y, meaning the x will now be equals to 2y plus what? 5, as in to interchange x with what? Y. Now, if you do that, what do? We are now going to now make y the subject again of the relation. So now if y is going to make the subject, I have to subtract 5 from both sides, meaning y as in 2y will now be equals to x, now minus what? 5. But it is the y we want to make the subject. So y will now be equals to x minus what? 5 divided by what? 2. Meaning your g prime of x is just what? X minus 5 divided by what? 2. But that is not what we are looking for. We are looking for the image of this. Meaning, if I have the inverse of a negative 3, meaning x is now changed to negative 3 minus 5 over 2 minus 8 over 2 equals what? Minus 4. So the image you are looking for is going to be minus 4. And that will be the option A. I guess clear? Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 27.